Hi, welcome to WIROC 2019. Join me, Gautam Zaveri, for this grand academic extravaganza to be held at the Renaissance Hotel and Convention Center in Bombay from December 20 to 22, 2019. This year we've got a small surprise for you. What we have planned are individual breakaway sessions called as Meet the Master sessions, which will involve 15 to 20 delegates along with a couple of masters in various fields such as hip arthroplasty, knee arthroplasty, spine surgery, pediatric orthopedics, upper and lower limb trauma, medical legal problems, etc. The plan is to have individual case-based interactive discussions to sort out all the various small doubts you have on these subjects. Details for this are available at our website, which is www.wiroc.in. Please register early so that you do not miss out on this because there are only limited seats available.